Hello there everyone, Brother Birch here. I am making this video in my current semester. Currently I'm teaching 3 sections of CSE341. 2 of them are online, and 1 of them is on campus. And I'm in the middle of week 2 and everyone is feeling super lost, which is totally fine. Everyone's doing a great job and everyone is still feeling super lost. So I just want to give you guys some hope regarding this course, and I want to run through some things that you may have missed while looking over the syllabus. I know what it's like to be thrown into 5 classes at the same time and everyone's giving you a syllabus and you're like, I need to go do my assignments. So let me just point out a couple of things here. First off, if we look right here at this course description, I'm just going to read some of this. As a 300 level CSE course, this class is designed to provide students with real-world learning opportunities. In any given lesson, there will be several suggested resources provided to you, but none of them are intended to be comprehensive in nature. Instead, you'll be assigned tasks to complete, and you will be expected to figure out where to go to learn the content to be able to complete your tasks. This is very similar to industry work. In essence, you will be given requirements, the what, and you will research and figure out the how. With that said, the first 4 weeks of the course make up your first project, and you'll have access to sample solutions with videos for all of these assignments while learning how to create these back-end applications. There will be class exercises and code samples throughout the whole course to help you master this material. Okay, this is huge because if I look at lesson 1, for example, which my students this semester just finished up, and it was only a half a week long. Okay, there's some course setup stuff, and then a couple of articles on how to build an API with Node, an optional JavaScript course, how to save stuff to GitHub, and publishing to render. Not very much here for the learning material that a lot of us are used to in a traditional iLearn course. And then if I look at this personal assignment, all it says is by the end of this assignment, you'll be able to do this. And assignment description, create a GitHub repository. Use npm init to start a new node project from scratch, create a web server, create a route that will display the name of someone you know, push to GitHub, publish to render, create a video, submit these to iLearn. There's absolutely no how. It is completely what. It's like, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. And if you don't know how to do something in here, it can be really daunting because you're like, man, I don't even know what a web server is. What does this from scratch mean? What does it mean to make a new node project? What is npm init? What is a route in my server? All this can be really hard. So let me give you a few resources to kind of help with this. If you look at the syllabus in iLearn, it links you to a CSE341 help document. This help document has a bunch of resources provided to you to kind of help give you some direction for where you can get help. Okay. Now, if you're not taking this class from me, you might not have the same TAs, or you might not have the ability to set up an appointment with me, but you can reach out to your instructor and your TAs. The tutoring center, the university offers tutors to the students for free. You just have to request it. The help channel and teams. So no matter where you're taking this class, you'll have a help channel. For my students, we have a help and extra credit channel, and people are encouraged to ask questions, and if other people answer those questions, they get a little bit of extra credit towards their assignments. These channels every single semester are extremely busy because everyone has lots of questions. Okay, so please use those channels to get help. Don't feel like you're the only one that's struggling, because you're not. You are in the majority if you feel like it's a hard course and you have no idea what you're doing. Okay, looking at lesson 2, same thing. There's a huge list of bullets right here for things that you have to do. All of these are repeated from the last one. Okay, but if you don't know what a REST file is going to be used for, you don't know what an env file is, you don't know what a collection is in MongoDB, these things are going to be really hard. And I encourage you to just do your best. It's important to note, again, that in these first four weeks of the semester, I do give you a solution. I can click on this and I can see the finished code that was shown in the video. So at the very least, I can look at this, and this won't get me 100% to my completed assignment, because you'd still have to create your own Mongo database, your own collection. You'd have to set up, if I look at that DB connect file, you'd have to set up your own environment variable that has this MongoDB URI, right? So even if you downloaded this code for your lesson 2 assignment, you'd still have some work to do to be able to get this code to work, which requires you to understand a lot of what this code is doing for you to be able to do it. Okay, so please use these solutions. There's a reason why I'm giving you these solutions. All right, last thing that I want to point out. If I look in iLearn at this syllabus, on the right-hand side, it shows that assignments are weighted by group in this course, which means if I have a team assignment that's worth 10 points and a final project submission that's worth 10 points, they are going to be worth a very, very different amount of my final grade. The reason why I do it this way is because in these first 4 weeks of the course, while you are learning how to make a node application and how to work with MongoDB, the assignments have very little impact on your grade compared to your final project, compared to your teamwork that you'll do in the rest of the semester. So if you're struggling to finish up your work and you feel like you're falling behind, I would just encourage you to just do your best, to not give up, because at the end of lesson 4, you'll submit your project, and then lesson 5, you'll start a brand new project. And this time, you'll do basically the same thing, but it's like your second time around. You'll get some repetition in here. You create a new node project. This time, you don't even have to create a new MongoDB cluster or account. You just need to create a new collection or something. Okay, so be aware of that as you're looking at this course. But anyways, I just wanted to bring this up to hopefully help you feel more comfortable about this course, and I hope that it's helpful for you.